What's up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So today is day 5 of Vlogmas. So you guys, I am just chilling on the couch. Like, day 5 is super chill. Like, babe actually got home yesterday, as you guys saw in Vlogmas day 4. He got home early. So we just kind of chill, ate food yesterday, and today is Friday. I thought that Friday was gonna be full of fun and festivities and we want to actually get out the house and do some stuff, but y'all, I've been right here on this couch where I'm at all day. Like, I've literally been here all day. Did I tell y'all it was 5 o'clock? Because it's 5 o'clock. I have not done anything, y'all. So I'm probably about to call my sister and probably about to call babe, because I'm sure he went to go get his haircut and probably went to go see his friends. Y'all know how men do when they get in town, you know, when they don't be here for a minute. So I'm probably about to call them to ask them what they're about to do on this Good Friday. Waiting on the camera to focus, or like I was saying, maybe we can get out the house, have some drinks or something like that. I forgot to mention in my last vlog, thank you guys, well, Vlogmas day 3, thank y'all for being super dope. Like, I did not realize it was so many gorgeous, beautiful queens on my channel that watch me, that are married and that are engaged. And you guys, I really enjoyed seeing you guys interact with me in the comments and talking to you guys in the comments about the me not wanting to cook all the time. So I really do appreciate you guys feedback. I appreciate y'all communicating, talking to me, sis. Like, you help me, sis, I help you, sis. Like, teamwork can make a dream work, okay? I think it's all the hand motion that's making this camera like not focus. But anyways, and I was like, damn, y'all are engaged, y'all are married, and y'all have been married for like 20 plus years. So maybe y'all can give sis some advice and send some over that that engaged married dust over here, sis. I need that all over here. Like, send some of that over here to me, you know, let that roll off and fall off on me. I love it. Like, I love it. Like, that's such a blessing to be married that long to somebody. Like, that ain't nothing but God, sis. Nothing but God. Nothing short of God. But I was about to say something else. And it's also some beautiful single women out there too, that watch my channel. And I appreciate y'all too, because when I was single, like, and I'm still technically single, I'm not married, but it's some beautiful like single women out there too. And we used to have good conversations in the comments when I was like actually, you know, no boyfriend. But anyways, y'all, let me get my butt up and try to do something. And I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute.